And thereafter we were shown the milestone, which is the landmark of the area of Al-Qaha, the standing milestone. And it is mentioned that this was the main pathway. The Prophet ﷺ came from the left hand side, so not following the main pathway, following the Hijrah route, which was a strange pathway back in the days. From the left hand side, the Prophet ﷺ made his way, and from this area the Prophet ﷺ then joined the main pathway of Al-Qaha.
Very strong granite. Huh?
It's the same shape which we.
The one that fallen.
Yeah, falls with the the.
तो ये जैसे आमतौर पर हमने वो गिरे हुए मील देखे, ये अभी तक खड़ा है. They made it stand afterwards, or
it's always standing
from before?
This is mine. Is it off? No, this one.
Oh yes. هذا ضرب الهجرة أيضا. Okay. Brothers, we are now in Al-Qaha, and as you have seen that this is also a milestone. Till now we have seen milestones that were dropped on the floor because of floods or storms, etc., and people no longer use it. This is still standing as is. So the Prophet ﷺ, upon the Hijrah route, took a detour from Madlaj Tahin, which is on my right, and then the Prophet ﷺ came to Ghathrayana, and then from there he came to Al-Qaha. So this milestone is on Al-Qaha. So Al-Qaha is the main route going from Makkah to Medina back in the days. Even before Hijrah, people used to use this route. So when the Prophet ﷺ found amnesty, security, he came back onto the main route from the Hijrah detour. So these milestones has been here for thousands of years. People were using it, and it's mentioned that around 70 Anbiya alayhimus salam has also passed through this route going to Makkatul Mukarramah. So this is like the signboards that they were using. Every mile these stones were placed, and in every era these stones were kept intact so the road can be safe and secure.
Let's take one photo.
Yeah,
of the team.
group photo. Acha Urdu.